Who are you?
I am a princess. Who are you?
I was a son.
This is not a place for song.
Someone shoot me an arrow. I'm blind. I fear. I'm not a son anymore. So I fell into your home?
No, water drags me here. I hate water. I hate the place. Can you borrow me your feather?
Why?
I need to live here.
Why? Charming evening we are having. I never see evening before. It's so pure. Time has stopped. Will night never come? It's awful. No matter what can't be killed must be endured. What do they say? They talk about their lives. To have lived is not enough for them. They have to talk about it. To be dead is not enough for them. It is not sufficient. In my opinion, we were here. You recognize the place? I didn't say that. Where? That makes no difference. The tears of the world are a constant quantity. For each one who begins to weep, somewhere else another stops. The same is true of the laugh. It's useless.
Why are you all here?
We fly and fear. We want to fly. We wait. We are bored. No, don't protest. We are bored to death. There's no denying it. So we fly. We are birds. We want to fly.
Can be a little gentle.